YouTube is essentially the new business card. Now, what do I mean by that? So basically, one of the best experiences in the world is being introduced well. It's kind of like it's the moment when someone brings up your name or they're introducing you to a person that you don't know, they're introducing you to an audience, and they just kind of introduce your name and they introduce all the things that you've done and why that person should be excited to talk to you or why these people should be excited to hear from you, and you're just kind of sitting there awkwardly just listening to it all and taking it all in, and you're thinking to yourself, wow, I wish I could carry around this person with me, like to introduce me into every room that I walk into. So that feeling is so, it feels so nice, and it's also very powerful because it removes the friction. So you don't have to really explain yourself, you don't have to prove credibility. Like, the person sets the context for you. This is exactly what YouTube does. People still use printed business cards, but most likely when you get that business card, you're gonna throw it in the trash. Some people do save it, and there are very few people who will go save the information and put it somewhere handy. But most times people just throw it in the trash or just lose the card, if we're being honest. But what's changing more and more is the way that people are using business cards. So they're not just having those replaceable paper business cards. They're coming up with little digital ones. So companies like Tappy and companies like Fewer Cards, they're creating cards with QR codes on them. And what these QR codes are pointing at is they're pointing to your social media profiles, they're pointing to your website. So basically something tangible that somebody can click to. So what I've started doing is I've started putting my YouTube channel on my digital card that I take. It's a physical card, but it's like the digital profiles. Let me know down in the comment if you know what I'm talking about. I know some people know that these cards exist, and then I mention them to other people and they're like, I've never seen this card, but it's like really cool. So let me know if you know the card I'm talking about. But basically, I've started putting my YouTube channel on my card, and it's really helpful because when someone goes to my YouTube channel, they can see that they can see exactly what I do. They can see exactly how I help. And it works as a 24/7 sort of like sales funnel that once they view one video, the other videos are going to pop up as well. And they're just going to be able to see the videos. And so your YouTube channel functions in like the same way whether you're using a business card to drive people there or not. When someone lands on your channel, they're not looking for perfection. They're just asking, can I trust this person? Do they know what they're talking about? Do they understand my problem? And so your channel is going to answer those questions long before you ever speak to a person directly. And that's why it functions less like social media and more like a business card or a 24/7 sales team, like I like to call it. There are like so many opportunities that will come your way simply from having a YouTube channel. I know that was definitely like the case for me. So like, for example, there are many friends, many like collabs that I've had simply because I had a YouTube channel. There are people that said, I recognize you from YouTube, so when I reach out, it's like, I probably wouldn't have answered this message if I didn't recognize you from YouTube. So that's how powerful that like YouTube can be. And you don't even have to have a ton of views and a ton of subscribers for this to start working in this way for you. I currently literally have 3,000 subscribers. That's not a lot. But you can still reap the benefits of having the channel. So yeah, if you're a business owner who knows you should be visible more, you want a platform that works for you 24/7 without you having to post all the time, then click the link below to join my free YouTube for Business workshop. In this workshop, I'm going to be talking about how you can use YouTube as sort of like an asset that helps you, how to structure your channel so it introduces you well, and how to create the content that's going to build that trust over time and make you more sales. So if you're interested in that, click on the link below to join the workshop. And thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.